last night I came home from work and my taillights and my license plate bulbs didn't work at all. It made me so worried because it was like out of nowhere. Like I just noticed like they just stopped working. And then when I looked at the front of the car, also my turn signals didn't work at all. So these ones right here, they're at the front. The thing is, I am not an electrical guy to begin with, so anything that's electrical has to do with wiring and stuff, I don't know how to do it. So it just worried me at first because I'm not good with like wires and stuff. My first discovery was this right here. So this is the harness for my, I believe my windshield wiper fluid. This goes for the side marker, but I don't have a side marker anymore because I'm wide body. And also for the turn signal, which is right here. As you guys can see, my tire rubbed through the plastic and pretty much have some like wire exposed. Luckily I didn't damage the wires, so this is not the reason why it didn't work, but this really scared me. So I just noticed this last night and I'm actually just gonna wrap this with electrical tape just to be safe. But yeah, my tire rubs against this apparently when I turn, so I just zip tied it so this thing isn't like flopping anymore. Also, this is something funny. Look at this bracket for my splitter. It's literally bent and twisted so bad because I literally hit this on the floor so much. This is freaking crazy. Look, it's like all crooked and bent. That sucks. So the main problem was it was literally just the fuse that was inside of the car. So I read on the forums that if you have a bad license plate bulb, the ones that are like under here, one of the bulbs on my car was actually flickering, so it was going bad. And I learned that when you have a bad one, it actually pops a fuse. That fuse controls the headlights, the license plate bulbs, and also the front turn signals. It's crazy. You literally learn so much about your car as you go. Like even the littlest things like that, I never knew before. Honestly, shout out to freaking Google and the forums, because without that, I literally would have never known this. And it's literally something new that I just learned. Yo, this thing is absolutely filthy. Oh my gosh, you can literally see all those water spots. I'm actually gonna get this all cleaned up. So after I wash the car and get it all cleaned up, we're actually gonna be heading to a meet in about a few hours. We're gonna be meeting up with a few people at this local spot, so it should be pretty dope. We're gonna have a little meetup beforehand, and then we're all probably gonna mob it to the meet. So it should be a dope little vlog for you guys, and I hope you guys enjoy. Bro, this is not acceptable. We just made it to the first spot where we're meeting up with a whole bunch of people. Ooh, pulling up with my dream car, of course. You guys already know that. It's a nice wrap. 2 Mustangs. This color is dope. What's up, bro?
What's up, dog?
You get some shots tonight?
Yeah, dude.
Yeah, dude.
You vlogging today?
Yeah, bro. You vlogging too?
Yeah, bro.
Oh, shoot, nice. Ooh, this is some nice fitment. Damn.
I like the 325.
Dude, they look sick, dude. I always tell you, man, your fitment's so nice. I'm hungry. I want to get food over there, but she wants to walk through the drive-thru.
I've never done that before.
It's really
Let's
awkward.
Just try it. Why?
I don't want to walk through there.
How is it awkward?
Yeah, it's not bad for stock, dude.
It's not stock headlight.
Oh, it's not how you...
It's a resonator.
Oh, for sure. I was like, damn, that's pretty loud for stock. Ooh, a little burp. we got little burbles. How do you do that? Oh, it's cold. It was cold. Next level. These are the guys that actually did the stars for my library. I only had the library on for like 2 days, but those are the guys that actually made it for me. Alright, so we're finally heading out to the meet right now. Grabbed a little bit of food at Rally's right here, and we're all just gonna mob it up to the meet right now. Just got the few Mustangs and a TC and the homie. Just 18 minutes. Like quite a bit of people here. Barely just started like 9 minutes ago. Shit. What's up, bro?
What's up, bro?
Nice. Dude, nice. Dude, that video you guys had made, dude, is so nice. Dude, that was like one of my favorite, like the rollers and stuff. Dude, this thing is clean. It's actually my stock color. Dude, this thing is clean, man. Dude, I like it a lot. Dude. There's so much camera in the front. This is something I've really been wanting to put on my car. These APR carbon fiber mirrors. I feel like they'd be so sick. It's like a little small detail, but I feel like it fits the car so good. Let me know down in the comments if I should put these on my car. Lambo doors on the Challenger. What do you think, bro?
Dude, I think it's.
You think it's sick?
I think it's pretty unique.
Yeah, it's different, man. I've never seen Lambo doors on a Challenger. So the meet started about like 10 minutes ago. There's actually like a lot of people here already, which is pretty cool. I'm excited to see actually how many people pull up tonight. This thing is really nice. This fitment though, I don't want to touch it, but dude, that is some tight fitment. Right hand drive, nice. Dude, TE37s are so nice. Okay. Oh snap. Damn. What's up, bro? Like professors and meisters, I mean they look the same, but like what? Honestly I've never really like liked them before. Oh, you thought I was talking? It's really been growing on me, like dude, I'm starting to love these wheels a lot.
Anything new, Chris?
Nah, pretty much.
I saw you tried this out on your friend's Prius.
That's crazy.
Oh yeah,
Dude, when are we gonna take the? I want to see your BRZ. I want to make some videos with the BRZ, bro. Yeah, this guy has a molded Veris wide body kit, by the way.
The front bumper on my Veris, I just need to mold the wide body part. So you know what we have?
The extension.
Bunny?
Yeah. Heck yeah. Let me know if you guys want to see his molded Veris wide body kit in the vlogs. I feel they'd be super sick.
I saw you stepping on this too. So it's wood, huh?
Yeah, it's like freaking. It's like a big skateboard. Just the homie Angel pulled up. What up, bro? How are you?
It's been a minute.
Damn. This thing is so aggressive. Yo, this thing is crazy, man. Jeez. So freaking nice, man. Yup, your wheels, bro. Your TE's right there, dude. Get them.
Dude, just take them off.
Right-hand drive. All the good stuff. It's clean, man. Definitely love these with the TEs. Right there, bro. Everybody's popping. Jeez. He's probably gonna do it again. What the heck? Dude, all these FRSs are popping. Oh. This FRS shot a huge flame over there. Yeah. Yo, so fun fact, I was actually gonna paint my car this color before the blue. It was either the blue or the yellow. So I was just talking to him about this little light. Oh, you can't even see it, but it's something that I want to do to my car. It's like a light bar for the reverse light. Oh my gosh. It is so bright. That's sick. Dude, I need that so bad. So that's it, man. That's it for the meet. So I guess cops kicked everybody out of this parking lot. We're just gonna make our way out. Hopefully we won't get pulled over because my car is super loud. There's like 5-6 cops here waiting, but yeah, hopefully we don't get pulled over. The whole Subi gang's mobbing out. Oh, this guy is shooting flames. Oh shit. So we are back at the house right now. Made it home from the meet with no tickets, which is super good. I saw that there was a meet going on tonight, so I decided to make a little video for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's video just as much as I enjoyed making it for you guys. Honestly, if you guys made it this far in the video, I want to personally say thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day. I encourage you guys to push yourself, make the most out of today as you can. Be productive, do what you like, because that's all that matters. With that note, I will see you guys next time. Peace out.